Pie in the Sky. A 4-part video on Can Eyelashes Grow Back? How to make them grow longer. Part 1, Make eyelashes grow luxurious and long. If you want more and thicker eyelashes, you are no doubt wondering what, if anything, you can do to make eyelashes grow. The cool thing is that even though we don't usually give it a lot of thought, eyelashes are just hair and our body grows hair all on its own. If you want to help your body along a little bit, there are several things you can do. Your eyelashes grow in stages: the active growth stage, the dormant stage, and the falling off stage. You have approximately 1/3 of your eyelashes in any given stage at any given time. That's why, despite losing eyelashes all the time, you don't ever lose them all at once, unless of course, you've had some sort of underlying medical condition or trauma. Everyone has a different makeup and some people will grow lashes a little more quickly than others. While this is mostly just a genetic trait, there still may be some things you can do, or stop doing, that can help you get a little faster results. Here are some simple things you can do on your own that may help you speed it up a little. 1. Help your body out by giving it everything it needs. Make sure that you get plenty of sleep, eat a good balance of nutritious foods, and drink plenty of water. If you don't do these things, it's like trying to race a car that has bad gas in the tank. You are only making it much more difficult on your engine. Along with what you do and what you eat, there are things you shouldn't do or eat. Cut way back on drinking alcohol. Your body doesn't need this, and in too high of a dose it is toxic. Stop smoking entirely. There is no known, safe number of cigarettes you can smoke. And last, but not least, cut way back on the junk food. The grease isn't doing your body, or your waistline, any favors. 2. Keep your skin and face clean. Excess oils can affect the hair follicles, which can slow down growth instead of make eyelashes grow. 3. When you were a kid, you were probably told to brush your hair 100 times before bed to increase the growth. Doing that, gently, with your eyelashes can have the same effect. Make sure that you use a clean eyelash brush and be gentle. Your eyelashes are pretty delicate, you don't want to rip them out in your quest to help them grow. 4. Keeping the skin supple and soft can help the follicles grow. Massaging olive oil, aloe vera, or petroleum jelly onto your eyebrows before bed has helped some people speed up the growth. Just make sure that you thoroughly wash these things off, or you might only end up clogging your pores and slowing down the growth. We all have to deal with our own unique genetic makeup, to a point. No matter how fast your body normally grows hair, there are some simple things you can do to make eyelashes grow more quickly. You can also help them be more lush and thick when they do grow. Part 2, Grow Back Eyelashes, just for the beauty. If you want long, thick, beautiful eyelashes that accentuate your eyes but need to grow back eyelashes to get the look you want, you may have had the remedy right under your nose all along. Believe it or not, petroleum jelly will help you grow back eyelashes quickly and easily without spending beaucoup bucks on serums that may not work for you at all. Do not get me wrong, there is nothing wrong with trying the serums to see if they do work. Lash growth is lash growth, but all I ask is you try this first. Here is what you do: clean the area around your eye thoroughly, but be gentle about it, and dab it dry. Do not rub too hard or wipe too hard, or you will defeat the purpose of this treatment. You will end up pulling out more eyelashes than you think. Now that the area around your eyes is clean and dry, all you have to do is dab a little petroleum jelly on your forefinger. Remember, a little goes a long way. Rub your forefinger and thumb together so you are only working with a thin coating of petroleum jelly and not a big glob of it. Close one eye, do not close both eyes, because then you will not be able to see what you are doing. Anyway, close one eye and from root end to tip end coat your lashes with the petroleum jelly. Replenish the supply of petroleum jelly on your forefinger and thumb as you need it until each lash is coated. Do this at night so it will not interfere with your normal morning routine. Again, be very careful to lightly coat your lashes and not to pull on them too tightly. Repeat with the other eye and then go to bed. The petroleum jelly will condition your eyelashes overnight, which will make them stronger and less likely to fall out prematurely. Full results may take up to 2 weeks. When you wake up in the morning, gently remove the petroleum jelly and allow the eye areas to dry completely before applying any makeup. The petroleum jelly will not let your mascara adhere to your eyelashes. Either use a mild cleanser or makeup remover to remove the petroleum jelly from your eyelashes. Continue using the petroleum jelly every night at bedtime until you get the eyelashes you have always wanted. All on their own, eyelashes take anywhere from 8 to 12 weeks to grow to an acceptable length, and some of the serums you can use encourage thicker, longer eyelashes in just about that length of time also. Petroleum jelly may not work any faster, but with the conditioning of the eyelashes it may seem like it does. Your eyelashes may be thicker the very next morning you try this. The best part is you do not have to tell anyone about your secret, and you don't have to spend a lot of money to grow back eyelashes. Part 3, Grow Longer Eyelashes, Natural Remedies for Eyelash Growth. If you want to grow longer eyelashes but don't have deep pockets and don't want to make a trip to your doctor, you'll be pleased to know that there are all natural options you can use to get longer, thicker eyelashes. Most women view long, thick eyelashes as an enhancement to their beauty. It's very common to use mascara to lengthen and thicken eyelashes to make them stand out more. Mascara also has color in it, so it can really draw attention to the eyes. There is also the option of using fake eyelashes. This can be an instant fix and give you thick, long eyelashes in just a few minutes. But they can be cumbersome and difficult to attach. You don't have to resort to some of these techniques. You can use some time-tested methods to grow longer eyelashes. 1. It's important to remember that everything that is on the outside originates on the inside. If you provide your body with the proper level of nutrients and hydration, that one simple thing can help your whole body perform even better, and that includes all type of hair growth, including eyelashes. 2. Getting plenty of sleep is another way to ensure that your body functions to its full potential. Your body is very much like a machine, think sports car, and when it's in tune and receiving everything it needs to run its best, it will run its best. Sleep and proper diet and nutrition are extraordinarily important. 3. Taking a multivitamin. Again, few people eat enough of the healthy things that their body needs. Helping things along by taking a daily vitamin will help your body stay strong and do the things it's supposed to, like grow hair. 4. Natural lubricants can also help to grow your eyelashes more quickly. A few of the most common for this purpose are olive oil and petroleum jelly. All you have to do is put one or the other on your eyelashes overnight. Wash it off thoroughly, but gently, the next day before you leave the house, and you're good to go. 5. Vitamin E has long been known to help. Use a brand new eyelash brush to apply the oil directly to your eyelashes. 6. Brushing your lashes on a regular basis can also help with growth. Remember when you were a kid and your mom told you to brush your hair 100 times every night to make it grow? Well, the same principle applies to growing your eyelashes. Just make sure that your eyelash brush gets cleaned on a regular basis. You don't have to resort to using uncomfortable fake eyelashes or buying expensive pharmaceutical remedies to get thicker, more luxurious eyelashes. Women have been using these all-natural remedies for centuries. The methods discussed here won't harm you, and most of them are just plain good for your whole body, so it's a win-win. Hey, our great-grandmothers knew a thing or two about beauty tricks. They didn't have all the drug companies coming up with great products for us to try. They had to figure it out themselves. We can benefit from their knowledge to help us grow longer eyelashes right at home. How long does it take for eyelashes to grow? How long does it take for eyelashes to grow? Well, eyelashes grow at the same rate as the other hair on your body, it's just that the length is not the same as the rest of the hair on your head. An eyelash takes about 8 to 12 weeks to fully grow to length. Just like the hair on your head, your eyelashes goes through 3 distinct stages of growth. They are the anagen, catagen and telogen stages. Each stage is an integral part of how long does it take for eyelashes to grow. The anagen growth stage is the stage when your eyelashes are actively growing and lasts about 7 to 8 weeks. Since your eyelashes grow at different rates, approximately 30% of your eyelashes are actively growing at any given time. The catagen growth stage, also called the lag stage, is the stage where growth stops and the hair follicle starts to shrink. This stage lasts about 3 weeks. The last stage is the telogen stage, and this is when the eyelash falls out. Then the growth stages start all over again. With the stages staggered the way they are, you cannot lose all your eyelashes all at the same time. If you are a heavy drinker or you smoke, you may lose eyelashes at a faster rate than someone who does not drink or smoke at all. Healthy living will ensure healthy eyelash growth. The older you get, the more your eyelashes go through, they thin out, they get shorter, they just aren't what they used to be. There really is nothing wrong except you are getting older. Everything, including how long does it take for eyelashes to grow, just moves a little slower as you age. If you watch television, you probably have seen the commercial about an eyelash growth serum endorsed by famous actresses, 2 by my count. Without naming names, this product is supposedly the only FDA-approved eyelash growth serum and is available only by prescription from your doctor. So if you truly are concerned with the present condition of your eyelashes, you may want to call and make an appointment with your doctor to discuss your options. The side effects of this prescription eyelash serum are minimal and are temporary for the most part. If you do not want to see your doctor, then there are several eyelash growing serums you can choose from at your local pharmacy or even get online. My advice, as always, is to do plenty of research on these products so you can make an informed decision regarding which one to use. Be aware of any reaction you may have with each one, stop using it immediately, and get in to see your doctor or go to the closest emergency department for treatment. If you are careful and choose the right eyelash growth serum, you may just be able to answer your question about how long does it take for eyelashes to grow? Subscribe to Eye in the Sky and do not forget to click on the bell icon.